case making national headlines. Former police officer Michael Slager now sentenced for the fatal shooting of an unarmed black man after a traffic stop.
The former South Carolina police officer in this alarming cell phone video is headed to federal prison tonight for 20 years. One of the longest sentences ever handed down to an officer in a racially charged shooting. In court, families on both sides broke into tears as the judge sent 36-year-old Michael Slager away.
People who suffer behind the wall. System convicted murder, they killing more people than crime. Hit like internal bleeding, they bury your ass alive. I'm flipping and flipping a picture, let's see on the other side. Make them walk in my shadows and see up my gutter eyes. Drop them off in the struggle to see if they gon' survive. Family is what they value, let's take them out their family lives. They hurt the 10th family by knowing you are the guy, knowing you're going down for the crime that ain't worth the time. Fighting against the numbers, the auctions of death and life. Man, I know that they can't handle this time that they giving now. Let's handcuff a cop and have them lie behind steel so they can feel how we feel. Okay, I wish I could sentence the judge to life and give them life in the struggle just to see how we suffer. I wish I could handcuff a cop and have them lie behind steel so they can feel how we feel. Okay, I wish I could sentence the judge to life and give them life in the struggle just to see how we suffer. Remember that hit and run, but woman that lost a life. Police done ran her over and left that lady to die. Execution no style, I heard it's a capital crime. Bullet went through the head when he killed Ron G from behind. Families ain't get no justice, the police ain't doing no time. How the fuck can they judge us when they be committing crime? Drugs coming from the sled, the guns coming through the county. They put them inside the street just to charge us with dope and body. Feds picking up the witness don't know nobody. Testifying my force cause the feds picking up their mamas. Police done threaten to kill me, so why should I ever call them? Most of them cracker black and was fighting against Obama. Let's handcuff a cop and have them lie behind steel so they can feel how we feel. Okay, I wish I could sentence the judge to life and give them life in the struggle just to see how we suffer. I wish I could handcuff a cop and have them lie behind steel so they can feel how we feel. Okay, I wish I could sentence the judge to life and give them life in the struggle just to see how we suffer.
From the beginning, he claimed self-defense.
Fired until the threat.
Okay, I wish I could sentence the judge.
But today, Judge David Norton refused to believe this, saying Slager shot an unarmed man in the back as he ran away. Slager says, "I wish I could go back and change that day."
I wish I could handcuff a cop. I wish I could handcuff a cop.